Jamaica, Jamaica. Good morning, my people. Good morning to all the sweet little bunonos picnic them going to school this morning. I hope you're having a healthy breakfast, all right? It's a great day today, my people. I'm always honored to have young people with a passion next to me on this set live in Kingston, Jamaica to speak about their brand. I was just speaking to our next guest and I asked them, where are you from? What is this product? Why are you doing this? And they said they always had a passion for helping people. So from passion comes a product to help people. You know, I'm all about the P's, right? My people, my P. P's my favorite letter. I'm all about the P. So passion, product to help people. I want to introduce you now, my people, to co-owners of Clutch JA, Michaela Peck and Sheldon Cardoso. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your product, Clutch JA Organics, is a soap product to help people.
Yes.
I want you to just take me through the product, let me hear everything so I can get some money out of my purse and purchase a few. Help me so much. Let's start with you, Michaela.
Right. So, how we really started this skincare line, my business partner and I, Sheldon, we both have a passion for helping people, and specifically we have a passion for helping persons who have skincare issues. I feel saddened when I see people walking around with, especially young women, acne on the face or scars as a result of acne, because I know how much it can affect their self-esteem, how much it can affect their self-confidence, and I mean just their ability to put themselves out there. So it's through that we drew inspiration for helping those people to alleviate different skin conditions through these products that we have made.
Absolutely beautiful. I have witnessed the products on set, my people, tomato products. We're going to go through the entire line if we have time. However, Sheldon, do any of you have a background in chemistry? How do you put the formula together? How do you know what's going to work?
Yes. So I continuously do research. You know, most of it comes from, you know, when you're back in the country, you know, persons have eczema, acne, and so forth. Your grandmother would probably send you to the bush to pick some cerci or to get a clove of garlic and so forth. So those are some of the stuff that we take from our old history and then we actually turn it into a product. And if you also know that it actually works great, we always try to ensure that we use the best ingredients, and most of our products are actually natural product and organic product. And we have to understand the difference between natural and organic.
Please
that
explain.
No synthetic fertilizer, so forth, is added to most of our products. So, for example, moringa is picked from the backyard, right?
You
From
sound
a tree
like a
that is
countryman.
grown
You're a
naturally.
countryman?
Yes.
I know it, you know, I know a countryman, you know, Michaela. The man say, you know, you're granny.
Right.
Never run from your roots, Sheldon.
Never,
Look
not
at
at
that.
all.
A product has been birthed
Yes.
from granny's old remedies. Keep
Right.
going, keep going.
Yes, so therefore we tend to continuously do research, as I said before, and ensure that the products that we use, the ingredients that we use in our products are of the highest quality and as natural as possible.
Wow, Michaela, the product line, let's go, let's run through.
Right, so we currently offer 10 different face and body soaps. I want to mention that these are not only for the face, but for the entire body. We have the garlic soap, we have the hemp, the cerci, moringa, turmeric, and turmeric plus. I'll explain the difference between both shortly. We have tomato, charcoal, aloe vera, and we also have a half and half bar with turmeric and charcoal. So the turmeric plus and the regular turmeric. The turmeric plus is made with more turmeric content than the regular turmeric soap, so you will see results quicker with it. However, if you have sensitive skin, we recommend the regular turmeric soap. So that's really the difference between both.
Okay,
Right.
well,
So all of the soaps, they remedy different skin conditions. So you might see garlic treating acne, eczema. You might see turmeric treating acne and eczema. You might see tomato treating acne and eczema. So those products, they basically treat the same thing, but in a different way. So for example, if a client comes to me and said, I have oily skin, I would give them, if they said they have oily skin, and acne and eczema, I wouldn't give them the turmeric soap. I'd give them the tomato, because the tomato has a property.
Soap, Michaela.
The tomato, yes, has a property that is called lycopene, which basically treats oily skin. So that is what I would give them.
Well, both your faces look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
So I'm sure you're using your own product.
Yes, definitely.
Tomato soap. Wow. What about dry skin with acne? What would you recommend?
Right, so I'd recommend the regular turmeric soap as well as the garlic, because the garlic moisturizes, it cleanses the pores, so that is what we'd recommend.
Excellent.
Right.
There are many testimonials, I'm sure.
Yes.
And I'm sure it
Yes.
treats other things head to toe.
Right.
So how do we get in contact with you? Where are you retailing so that we can enhance, build, invest, and make sure that everybody has a happy, what do you say, happy what?
Great skin, basically.
Right,
Great
And feel
skin.
confident.
And feel
about
confident,
getting
right?
out there, as you mentioned
So we
earlier.
are we are on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram at Clutch JA Organics. Clutch JA being one word, Organics as a separate word. We have a website. It's organics.clutchja.com, and we can be contacted by 876-522-0902 and 876-853-0638. Right.
Absolutely beautiful. And you want to tell us any specific stores, or just go and you can find
Right,
that?
so we can be found in over 30 different small and large businesses across Jamaica. So we're in different pharmacies, health food stores, beauty bars. Have I missed any?
Yes.
Yeah, that's basically.
You see, since we have started, also we have created a lot of small businesses for persons, because we have a lot of wholesalers that are across Jamaica.
Yes.
So persons, so what we do, we manufacture for them. So the other day, someone contacted me that they want to make a specific soap. We will just do the manufacture for them, formula and everything, and just make it specifically for them.
I want an Empress soap.
we can definitely
specific
do
formula.
Everything they saw in the one bar.
that. Once the chemistry work, then we're good.
I'm so happy for you.
Yes.
Do you plan to? How big do you want to go? Where do you want to be? Do you want to be listed as a public company? Are you exporting? How big can this get with our support as customers and consumers?
Well, we want to get as large as we can,
Okay.
and the vision for Clutch Organics is actually to at some point in time become not only a company that offers cosmetic products, but also health care products such as capsules or so forth,
Pharmaceuticals.
pharmaceutical products and so forth. So that is where we actually see ourselves.
Looks like you want to go into the CBD product. No, I think if you're going to be playing with that CBD oil, better get in. Everybody else is. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
It's always great when we bring on young entrepreneurs, and it's important, Jamaica, do not buy any more foreign soaps. There's no
Yes.
need. We have our own right here. Build our own, buy Jamaica. This is one of the most important messages that we could give you this morning on Smile Jamaica. I thank you both.
Thank you.
And all the
Thanks for
best.
having us.
And big up your granny.
Yes, definitely.
Big up your granny. Co-owners of Clutch JA Organics, Michaela Peck and Sheldon Cardoza. I can't stress it enough. Do not buy the foreign soaps. Buy Jamaican. Buy Clutch JA Organics. My people, stay with us. The band will be back on the Smile stage, and then later, Peter versus Peter, we speak with Mr. Peter Bunting about his run to lead the PNP. We'll be right back, my people.